Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction. The live price changes occur in the Ecomi or OMI crypto. I'm going to show you in this video what's the high price, what's the price change occur in the OMI in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour. I'm going to show you in this video. So if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now and support me, and also press the bell icon for new video updates. As you can see here, the last 1 hour result of the OMI, what's the price change, that is a live price prediction of last 2 hour of OMI crypto. The absolutely complex structure of the graph, as you can see here. So if we see the changes of the currently, so the currently as you can see here, now currently they are goes upward. As you can see here, I think they goes up but not goes down, as you can see here. So if we talk about the changes of the OMI cryptocurrencies in the previous last 2 hours, so the changes is also in positive 0.62% changes occur in the OMI in the previous last 2 hours, and the high price of OMI is about $0.009244 is the high price of OMI price in the previous last 2 hours. Friends, that is the live price prediction of OMI in the previous 2 hours. Now let's see the last 1 hour result of the OMI in the previous last 1 hour. Sorry, as you can see here, that is loading. So kindly, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news. Oh my goodness, as you can see here, absolutely bad news for all OMI holders. As you can see here, if we see the current situation of OMI, so they are fast down at this time, fast down, continuously fast down. So don't sell it because in the future they jump upward, because that is only last 1 hour result. That is only fast down in the last 1 hour. Maybe they goes upward in the future hours, as you can see here. And that is a live price prediction of previous last 1 hour. That is why they falls down, because that is the only 1 hour falling. I'm not saying to sell it in the future. As you can see here, if we see the changes of OMI in the previous last 1 hour, so the changes is very bad, because that is a 1 hour result. I'm talking about 1 hour result. Negative 1.88% change occur in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of OMI is about $0.009229 is the high price of OMI in the previous last 1 hour. So friends, my suggestion to hold it and hold it and be safe from loss. Don't sell it because then in the future they maybe goes upward in the future. That is only fast down at this hour. So friends, I hope you video hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.